If you're wondering how to offer reputation management services with Vendasta, you're in the right place. Stick around because I'm going to show you how Vendasta makes this process seamless and how you can leverage it to grow your business and client base. No experience required. First off, let's talk about what reputation management is and why it's so important. In today's digital world, your online reputation can make or break your business. Whether it's reviews, social media mentions, or customer feedback, managing what people say about you online is crucial for success. With Vendasta, you can streamline this entire process, providing your clients with tools that improve their digital footprint. Next thing, let's dive into how you can use Vendasta's platform to offer reputation management services. Vendasta is a white label platform that allows you to provide digital marketing services to clients under your own brand. It's a great way to add reputation management to your offerings without needing to build everything from scratch. The fourth thing you'll love about Vendasta is its reputation management tool. This allows you to monitor reviews from over 70 platforms, including Google, Facebook, and Yelp, all in one place. This means you can quickly respond to customer feedback, address negative reviews, and even request new reviews from satisfied clients, all from a single dashboard. This helps businesses stay on top of their reputation, ensuring that no review goes unnoticed. Next, with Vendasta, you can automate much of the process. You can set up review request campaigns that automatically reach out to customers after a service or purchase, encouraging them to leave a review. This kind of automation helps businesses scale their reputation management efforts without having to hire a full-time team. The next thing is Vendasta's reporting capabilities. You can generate detailed reports that show how your client's reputation is evolving over time. These reports provide valuable insights, like average ratings, review sentiment, and trends, which help clients understand what's working and where they can improve. Next up, you can also offer additional services like local SEO and social media management through Vendasta. By bundling reputation management with other services, you can provide comprehensive solutions to your clients, increasing the value you offer and boosting your revenue. Here's the kicker. You can access this powerful software for free with an exclusive bonus by clicking the first link below. That's right, Vendasta offers a free trial, and with our exclusive deal, you get extended access, allowing you to fully explore the platform and its features. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to offer reputation management services with Vendasta and how it can help you build a scalable business. Remember, this tool is simple to use, and you can get started today without any technical expertise. So don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial link in the description to get started with Vendasta and take your reputation management game to the next level.